Me excited.
You're excited?
Mm-hmm.
So what are we building today, Remy?
A lamp,
A lamp? How did we make it?
filament, and wood.
Filament and wood, yes, very correct. Okay, so what do we need to make this piece of wood and this
Lights.
chunk of filament into a lamp? What do we need?
Some lights.
Okay, we got lights, right?
And
Lots of lights.
And
What else do we need? Those are LEDs. They're the lights.
and we have LEDs we need, and
What is this? No. Okay, so we've got this. What is that? A battery?
battery. We
Right.
got battery. It's kind of heavy in weight.
Yep. So this connects the battery, right?
Yeah, this thing connects the battery
To all the lights.
to all the lights and
What's that?
a switch
For what?
for on and off.
Alright. Alright.
Let's
So-
get started on this.
Yes. Let's get started drilling this.
Yeah! Talking about with the LED stuff and whoa! That is cool!
Yep.
Whoa! I didn't realize how cool that was gonna be. I'm like keeping myself in cover for if it hits me, and I'm like, ah!
It's not gonna hit you.
No, like little pieces like this is gonna probably go.
That's why you're wearing safety glasses, dear. Yeah, safety glasses. Your regular, your normal glasses.
I'm protecting my head.
You want to try to drill one?
What if I don't know where to go?
I'll help. Okay, so up here. Now, don't go until I tell. Okay. Hit the trigger. There you go. Keep going. There you go.
I did it!
You did it. Alright. Go for it. Keep going.
That scared me. I'm like, whoa.
Keep going.
Why do they have to be separated, like, kind of in certain holes?
Alright. Couple more.
Couple more and I'm done.
Yep.
Well, with this, not with the whole thing, though. Whoa. I'm sorry.
For what?
No, like, it went super fast. I'm like,
Yeah, it's okay. Whoop. Okay.
whoa.
Perfect.
I keep doing that. I'm like scaring myself. Like,
You're scaring yourself.
yeah, if it hits and breaks it, I'm like,
We won't break it.
I keep scaring myself like bad. Like,
Alright, we'll heat up the hot glue gun.
don't touch that with me.
I'm not going to touch you with it.
Yes, you won't.
No. Alright. Yep, clean it off. Perfect. Okay, so we have a wire. So we'll stick this through the hole. And then we'll take one of our,
Blues.
yeah. So,
Stick it in. Okay, not really.
well, sort of. So we'll hook it on there, maybe.
It would look kind of silly. Like, if we put all kind of stickers and it would look like weird. I creepy.
There we go. There's one. Yay.
Hey! Yay.
Alright.
I just want to dig a hole in the wall with this.
No, you will not drill a hole through the wall with that. Alright.
Dad, it's already drilled. Like,
Time to get the other 9 in there. With another 8.
with another blue.
Yep, another blue.
I thought it was going to be red, blue, like.
No, it didn't. The pattern won't work out, and that will drive your mom nuts.
Yeah.
So we're not doing that.
Why would it drive your mom nuts?
Because there would be 2 blues together
Yeah.
instead of having a pattern.
Why would you freak out for a pattern with white?
Well, because some people have to have a pattern.
So we're just doing 2 blues, then 2 reds,
No, we're doing all blues on the outside,
and then
And
in
then-
the middle?
reds in the middle.
Okay. Kind of got it right, but
Yeah.
not really. Dad,
Yes, my
where's
love?
blue?
Oh, is blue starting to come out?
Yep.
Good.
Why? Why is that good?
That means that the glue gun is hot.
Oh, I thought it was like your dad was gonna be mad if there's glue on this.
No.
Why? Is it still working?
Yep, this is a workbench.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a bench to me. Not like to sit on, like in playgrounds or something.
No, it's a different type of bench.
Yeah, I know.
This is for doing things on.
Dad, is like this part hot?
No, that's the handle.
Yeah, that's not hot to me. What about this part? Dad, what about this part?
No, that's not hot either. Or it shouldn't be anyway. Really, only only the end should get hot.
I'm not sure I can do it like you're doing, so I might just leave it for you to do. Man, I keep getting it all over me.
Why are you yawning?
I was singing.
Hmm?
I was singing.
Oh, you were singing.
Not yawning.
Oh, it sounded like a yawn.
Sometimes I just sing like that.
Oh.
Dad, why are these there?
What, the staples?
Yeah.
Probably because someone was testing out a staple gun to see if it worked.
And where's the holes?
Holes? Well, because people use this to drill on.
Like they want to drill like with not something like a paper maybe, or they just want to drill on the bench.
Well, no, it's when you drill through something. So if you're drilling through a piece of wood or a piece of metal
Or like this.
or a piece of plastic, yeah.
Or maybe a tool.
Yeah, we try not to drill through tools.
Yeah, that would be pretty bad.
Yeah, that's not something we need to do.
Yeah. Like what if we drilled on the wall?
We don't drill on the wall because the walls keep out the cold and keep out the heat, right?
Yeah.
And all the icky weather.
Yeah. And without getting snowed in or rained in it. And what if it was raining fish?
Raining fish.
Yes. That would be weird.
That would be super weird.
Like if you, but yay, now we don't have to go fishing.
No, if it was raining fish, we probably wouldn't have to go fishing, would we?
Yeah.
But that wouldn't be very much fun. Not going fishing?
Yes, that would not be fun. But at least we got extra food if it was raining that.
That's right.
So we don't have to go to the store ever again. What if it was raining cats?
Oh, that would be terrible.
Yes. Why would that be terrible?
Because we don't need a bunch of cats around.
No. A bunch of tools raining. Dad, what if it was raining giant tools?
Tools?
Yes.
That'd be okay. I can always use more tools, right?
No, like giant ones.
Well, yeah. What's wrong with giant tools?
No, like a giant. Like a tree, like a big tree. Like, what if it was raining paint?
Paint?
Yes.
That would be terrible.
Yes.
Look at that. All 9 of them. Got them through.
Yay. Where's the rest?
Yay.
Woohoo!
All right.
Now it's like an octopus when you like hold them.
Yeah.
Like with the legs and stuff. Watch. See?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's pretty weird.
Okay. I'm going to scoot you this way. Okay.
Dad?
Nope, not yet. So we're going to take all of the blue wires. Oh, there's one I didn't get. And we're going to connect all the blue wires and all the red wires together. And all the black wires together, except for these two. I'm going to keep those out. Nope, not that one.
Oh.
Just these two to the switch.
Why?
Well, those are for later.
Blue, blue, blue,
Yep.
blue,
And we need to get all the reds over there too.
blue. Okay, now how does it work? Alright.
And try to separate out the blacks.
So the blacks need to be in a different pile and stuff? You're saying? Did I get all of them? I'm trying to, like,
Okay, let's see what you got here. There's one black in there.
ooh, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Got blacks ready.
Okay. So now we're going to take and twist all these together.
Okay. What is this?
They're
What is
wire.
this?
They're wire cutters.
So it cuts wire
Yeah.
in pieces?
What's that?
Does it cut wire in pieces like this?
Yes.
Oh. Boop, bop, boop, boop. I'm excited.
I know. I'm excited to see how this thing looks. It
Like-
should be pretty cool.
Yep, it should be. How cool do you think it will look when it's finished?
Probably awesome.
Dad, is there gonna be a bottom where these won't be sticking out?
No, it'll we'll hot glue everything up to the
Top.
top of that,
Okay,
and then you won't see it.
okay. Because I was wondering what we were doing. Dad, look. Now if I pull it up, look. Woo!
Okay, so we need to add this one. Oh, this one.
What are you doing?
Well, we gotta add the battery.
I know where the battery is. Wait, do you already have the battery? Yes.
I do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see here.
Dad, why does one look bigger gold and one look smaller gold?
That's just how it is.
Oh, because you just cut it, did you?
Yes. Watch out, because this sucker's hot. Alright. Let's see here. We get away with.
I want yellow.
Well, we're gonna have. Well, okay. Let's see if we can get one of these on there.
Yeah, yellow. I wanted a sky color for yellow and stuff.
We'll see if it'll fit.
Oh yeah. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go with the big size. I think this is the bigger size here.
Yeah, now we can finally see it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's like, yeah, it's like a little hair bow.
Yeah. All right.
Like I
Now
have a
watch out,
ponytail.
because this is very hot.
That sucker's hot.
That sucker is hot. And Daddy really doesn't know how to do this. Not very good at it.
It's burning.
Well,
Cool.
it's melting the
Yeah.
solder.
Well, you can see there's black. Whoa. Come on, sucker. You can do it. Yeah, I can see like that's melting too. A little bit.
What's melting?
The golden thing.
No, the copper isn't melting. It's absorbed. Well, it's it's not. It's letting the solder stick to it is what's going on. There we go. Okay.
That was my favorite part.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's let the smoke out. Sweet! That looks pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah. I want to turn the shop light off.
We will after a bit.
Okay.
We gotta finish.
Okay.
Buttoning up the wires. All right, do you like your lamp, Remy?
Yes.
Now that it's all done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to sleep with it, and that there's like
Color.
beautiful-
That
Yeah.
it shoots color out the top?
Yep. From
Yeah.
the call, and when you turn the light off, and it makes like this design on the wall.
Yeah. Anything you'd like to say to everybody?
That I like what it does on the wall.
Okay. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Yay!